Hi, hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and I hope everyone is doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how I made this moon lamp for myself using some old stuff and some DIY and recycling a few things, and yeah, all of things like that. So yes, please watch the video till the end, and this is really going to be so interesting. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do it. Okay, so first of all, I have this tissue paper ball with me, which has a hole at the bottom, and two wooden horses from a very old decorative piece that I had at home and that got broken, so I'm reusing these two horses. Next, I have some acrylic colors like white, lemon yellow, brown, and black color. Next, I have a round brush that I'm gonna be using. You can also use a flat brush. Next, I have some use and throw pens, a paper cutter, and some glue. You can also use normal Fevicol or hot glue, whatever you prefer, it is absolutely okay. Okay, now the first thing I'm doing here is painting the tissue paper ball using white acrylic color and my round brush that I showed you earlier. You can also prefer to use a flat brush. Whatever you have, it's fine. Just take a larger sized brush. You can save a lot of time in that way. I'm covering the entire surface of the tissue paper ball. One thing I would like to mention here is I have not mixed water with my color, and I have taken the color directly from the bottle and applied it on the surface. And the reason behind is if you add water, you may end up losing the shape of this tissue paper ball. Okay, so keeping that tissue paper ball aside to let it dry completely, let's move on to the wooden horses. I'm going to join them together at 2 points, and I will use the use and throw pens. Now I'm marking a length of 2 inches on the pen using my ruler and a paper cutter. Just mark them. I'm repeating the same step for all the pens that I have. The next step is cutting them. I'm taking my paper cutter and I'm cutting the lengths at the points where I had marked off. Next, I have joined them like this I used Fevicol actually. The glue that I showed earlier was different, but I ended up using this Fevicol. Now the glue has dried completely. The next step is painting this part. For this, I have taken brown acrylic color and the round brush that I used earlier for the tissue paper ball. I'm also trying not to leave any gaps, and I have also mixed a little bit of black acrylic color along with the brown. I'm not blending the black and brown acrylic colors entirely, and I'm just trying to give this a look as if it is also made up of wood and not plastic. I'm just making sure there are no gaps. You can see how I'm doing this. Just look around from every direction and paint the whole surface. Let me just make this process a little faster so that you guys don't get bored while watching this. This takes time. You have to have some patience and just enjoy the process. I personally enjoy a lot making these DIYs, trying new things, and making something by myself for decorating my place. Okay, the pen part is almost done. Now I'm moving on to the wooden part. And I'm using the same brown color and mixing some black acrylic color with it. Well, there is no need of using a lot of black color, just a little amount is fine. And I'm trying to give this the same effect as I did for the plastic pen part. Just covering the entire surface from all directions, from the bottom and the sides. And this one side is complete, and I will repeat the same process as I did for this horse. Okay, there was the lemon yellow color. I had kept it for using if I need it, but I didn't. Now again I'm painting by mixing the brown and black color. The same process, it's just the repetition like it was done on the other side. This is now done. I'm just making sure I have not left any gaps. Just giving some finishing touches, and this is how it looks now. Okay, I've let it dry completely, and Yeah, this is one more thing I want to show you. This is a cardboard canvas, I would say, and I have painted it with the same brown and black color. Well, this is absolutely optional, but as I had one with me, I thought of using it. I think it looks good, and I'm going to place this tissue paper ball on this like this. Let me show you from a different angle. So this is finally how it looks. The last thing is using a light. I've used a rice light that I had. I have inserted half of the length of the light into the ball using the hole at the bottom. So after inserting the light, I have placed it on my study table like this, and you can see there's a painting. I painted it a few years back. So yeah, this is it. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to my channel, and let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.